Good afternoon, everyone. I am Manoj Nagar. I am giving a lecture on information technology and basics. Information technology can be termed as a backbone to all the industries because of wide-scale use of computers, internet, and telecommunication systems. Information technology helps in managing, manipulating, storing, regaining, sharing, communicating, transmitting small as well as large amount of information data conveniently and effectively. Work that was done manually in the past now can be done easily and efficiently with the help of computers. There need to be store paper files as well as important documents can be stored on a computer and can be accessed without much hassle. Better and faster communication online has led to globalization and have immensely helped industries and business around the world. However, things were not like this in 60s and 70s. In IT sector was mostly areas such as banking sector, large business will also computer scientists and mathematical engineers. The emergence of personal computers changed this scenario and suddenly it was being used in almost every sector because small businesses, industries, education sector, government sector, defense, marketing, fashion, security, journalism, these days they are hardly any arena that's not being positively affected by information. Besides making work easier and world over, IT sector has also created a lot of job opportunities for people. In its practical sense, information technology involves the use of computer, application and equipment of development, design, manipulate and implement the storing and transmission of data. Basically, every endeavor requires the storage and transmission of data. For instance, before the use of the online public access catalog, school libraries used physical card catalogs as a registry of all books and files stored in their archives. But with the internet and the previously physical information was digitized, allowing for wireless data transmission. This begs the question, what is the use of information in business? For one, it allows businesses to break the boundaries of location and language. Take for example, little store. If the store sticks to merely doing physical transactions from its brick and mortar store, it limits the possible clientele to the people within its location. But by using the internet, the store can be part of a national and even global marketplace. This is the basic concept that makes websites such as eBay and Amazon a success. Information technology in business can also open opportunities for low-cost businesses, operations, many computers and entrepreneurs. For instance, go into telecommuting when looking for workers and employees. Not only does telecommuting obviously possible with the use of information technology, allows institutions to outsource work, it also widens the talent pool search, given entrepreneurs to more choice, to more when it comes to workers and employees. Of course, information technology also works in the physical business step. Information technology in business allow companies to store product information on various databases rather than physical ones, allowing for easier retrieval of data when needed. It makes internal communication easier thanks to email, telephone, linking and other similar methods of communication. All of this can be summed up such basically information technology makes business easier. Application of IT in different departments in business arena. Without using IT, we cannot think about the organization process. Almost all types of organizations whose gain success, use of technology is must. Nowadays, organizations use the lion's share of its budget to implement it in their organization. This paper, thank you.